Hi everyone. In this video you will learn how to create a image circle using CSS. As you can see, I got an image here and it's in a circular form. So this is what we're going to achieve in this video. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. As you can see, I already got an image file here, image.jpg. Let's create an index file, index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure here. Add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. Here we only need image element. Source will be image.jpg and you can delete this attribute. Save it. Now create a style sheet here. Style.css. Select body element. Background color will be dark slate gray. Select image element. Give it a height of 300 pixels. Width will be same. Display will be block. Margin will be 0 and auto. Border will be 5 pixel solid yellow. Save it. Now open this file in the browser to see the output. And this is the output. Now let's convert it into a circular form. In the CSS file, we need to add one more property here to the image element, that is border radius, and set it to 50%. Now save it, go to the browser, and that's your output. So I hope you understood how to achieve this. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.